Creating a WooCommerce product slider with Elementor allows you to showcase your products in an attractive and interactive way on your WordPress website. Here's how to do it. Install Elementor and Elementor Pro. Ensure you have both Elementor and Elementor Pro installed and activated on your WordPress site. Elementor Pro provides additional widgets and features, including WooCommerce widgets. Create a new page or edit existing page. Go to Pages, add new or edit an existing page where you want to add the product slider. Add Elementor section. Click on Edit with Elementor to launch the Elementor page builder. Add a new section by clicking the plus icon and select the desired structure for your product slider. Add widget. In the Elementor sidebar, search for the Slides widget under the Pro category. Drag the Slides widget into your section. Configure Slides widget. In the Slides widget settings, choose WooCommerce as the source. Customize the layout, number of slides, and other settings according to your preference. You can choose to display products based on categories, tags, or specific products. Style and design. Customize the appearance of your product slider using Elementor's styling options. Adjust colors, typography, spacing, and add animation effects to enhance visual appeal. Preview and publish. Preview the product slider to ensure it appears as intended. Once satisfied, click Publish or Update to make the changes live on your website. Test and optimize. Test the product slider functionality on different devices to ensure responsiveness and usability. Optimize based on user feedback and analytics.